Assalamualaikum, brother.
Waalaikumsalam.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you today?
Never been better.
Okay, no better. Brother, today in this opportunity we are going to talking about around Bandung.
Yeah, sure.
But before we are going to the following question, could you like to introduce yourself for a little bit?
Alright, my name is Tamafiza Maharika. I am one of the college students of Unggayan Sarang Gunung Jati Bandung.
Okay.
I'm actually your senior
Yeah.
here, and I think that's enough.
Okay, enough. Now we are going to question. For the first question, bro. What is your favorite place to visit in Bandung? Is there any special moment or fun fact about that place to you?
Alright, so if I have to choose from all places in Bandung, I think I really love Tahura. Taman Hutan Raya, if I'm not
Yeah.
mistaken, the abbreviation. I like it because I like something green landscape, because it gives me serenity, gives me comfort. It's different from the cities, because the cities is always busy,
Yeah.
while Tahura is not that busy. It's calm.
It's calm.
Yeah, I think I like it because of that simple reason.
Okay, thank you. So for the next question, Bandung is known for its food, right? Then, what is your favorite food originally from Bandung?
I think it's going to be seblak. If you're
Okay,
talking about Bandung, we
seblak.
are talking about seblak.
Yeah.
Seblak in Bandung is like an equivalent.
Okay,
it cannot be
okay.
separated in inseparable things. If you are talking about Bandung, we are going to talk about seblak, but the original seblak, not the customary
Yeah.
seblaks. There are so a lot of
Original seblak.
there are a lot of kinds of seblak now using a lot of ingredients, but I like the original one, the OG one. The one which has no so much water in it,
Okay, yeah.
it's spicy, something
Yeah.
like that, yeah.
Do you recommend it?
Yeah, sure. Seblak has, bad stigma in Indonesia because
Yeah.
people say it's an awful food, but I think you say that awful because you never tried it before, so try it. You're not going to regret it.
Then try it, guys. So, as we know, Bandung is surrounded by beautiful landscape.
Yeah.
So have you tried to visit one of many landscape that located in Bandung?
Alright, so I have visited several places that you mentioned. The first one is of course Tahura because
Tahura.
I like the place. The place is so good. And then up once in what is that? In the foot of Manglayang, Batu Kuda.
Batu Kuda.
Batu Kuda.
Batu Kuda.
And if this counts as well, I've once been in Situ Cileunca.
Oh yeah, I know.
It's still Bandung, right?
Still
Yeah,
Bandung.
it's still Bandung. I've been there because my kakek was there, and it's so good. So, Bandung for me is like a combination of both the big cities with busy traffic, skyscrapers,
Yeah.
and also the combination of with the landscapes, several landscapes, mountains, lakes, so on and so forth. It's so good.
Then it's balance, right?
Yeah, it's balanced.
So, next question. What historical site in Bandung do you think is important to visit?
I believe it's gonna be, the KAA Museum.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
KAA.
that place, because I believe that time KAA made Indonesia to be relevant in global conversation, because we just, KAA happened in 1955,
Yeah.
if I'm not mistaken. So Indonesia was just like 10 years after, 10 years old that time. So we need to be relevant if we want to be acknowledged by other nations. And that event, KAA event, is really making us to be relevant in the global conversation. We made impacts in the global environment. So I think that is the most important historical place that we could visit in Bandung. Or maybe there is a prison, Bancai prison,
Oh,
because
yeah.
Sukarno was there before he became the proclamator father, became the founding father of our nation. Yeah, I think that's all.
So, this is last question. What change or development would you like to see in Bandung in the coming years?
The first one, the very important one, is the lightning in Bandung.
Yeah,
because
lightning.
if I went to the city, I go to the city, center of the city, it's dark when it's night, because it's dark. There are no lamps. If there is
Lightless,
lamps, yeah, lightless. If there are lamps, the lamps are not operating well. So Bandung needs to be brighter by the lamps. That is the first one. The second one, Bandung needs to have a good public transportation, so that we do not need to be confused of what kind of angkot that we need to take if we want to go there, because the public transportation is good, the public transportation is integrated each
Yeah.
other, and then it's cheap for the people, so it needs to be implemented in Bandung. And then the third one, maybe this one is also important, the rights for the pedestrians, the pedestrian walks.
Oh, yep.
In Bandung, I see that there are a lot of merchants, sellers selling their stuff in the pedestrian roads, which is not right. Also, people are using their motorbike on the pedestrian right, shameless behavior actually. The government needs to put attention on it, and then the inclusivity also needs to be make it as an important priority, like the road for the disabled people. I think that's all.
Okay. Okay. That's all our question today. Talking about Round Bandung, brother. Thanks for your nice attention. Thanks for your great answer. And nice to meet you. See you in the next time.
All right, it's been great. Nice to meet you too.
Assalamualaikum, brother.
Waalaikumsalam, brother.
Good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon too.
How are you today?
I'm good. Yes, very good. Yes.
Okay, dear brother. Today, in this opportunity, we are going to talking about Bandung, yeah.
All right, that's so interesting.
But before we are going to the following question, could you introduce yourself for a little bit?
All right. Okay. I will introduce myself. My name is Hilda Madawizari, and I'm in fourth semester, class D exactly. All right.
Okay, enough. Now we are going to the following question, brother.
All right.
For the first question, what is your favorite place to visit in Bandung?
Oh, what's the favorite place to
Yeah,
visit in Bandung?
right.
I think you should try to go to Lembang because there are
Lembang.
many nature in there, and it's such a like a lake or forest, or I think the culinary.
Okay.
Yes,
yeah.
there's a lot of culinary in Lembang. Right.
So, is there any special moment or fun fact about that place to you?
Yes, of course. About when I was 18, yes, the first time I go to Lembang with my ex, and
Oh.
now we not together for anymore.
Bad experience?
Yes,
Bad experience. Okay.
but it make very memorable. for me.
Memorable moment, yeah.
Yes.
So for the second question, Bandung is known for its food, right?
All
Okay.
right. Yes.
So
yes, yes.
what is your favorite food originally from Bandung?
Originally from Bandung? Yes, because before I say Lembang, then my favorite food is bolu susu Lembang.
Okay.
Because beside the place, bolu susu Lembang is the condiment is really good, and is the one of the best cake in
Oh,
Indonesia. All right,
Best of
one of the best.
Okay.
Yes.
So do you recommend it?
To share.
Yeah.
Yes, I really recommend it to you or to any people in the outside of Bandung to try the bolu susu Lembang, because it's supposed to do. It's not supposed to eat it.
Okay,
Alright?
right. So for the next, Bandung is surrounded by beautiful landscape. So have you tried to visit one of many landscape places that located in Bandung?
Oh, I think because Lembang is I mentioned before. I'll go to Pangalengan.
Okay,
Yes, there are
Pangalengan.
many places in Pangalengan, but exactly I'll go to the Situ Cileunca, like
Oh yeah,
yes,
I know.
Situ. The landscape is very beautiful,
Yeah,
and
right.
when I was there, I feel relaxed and enjoy. I feel that I can forget all of the problem
Ah.
in my life. All right.
Nice. Don't forget to visit Situ Cileunca.
Yes.
Okay. Then, so the fourth question, brother. What historical site in Bandung do you think is important to visit?
Oh, the historical. Yes, I think you should try to go to the Gua Lembang.
Okay.
No. Gua Jepang and Gua Belanda
Oh, yeah.
in Dagopakan. Yes, because it's there a lot of history, and when you go there, you can feel the aura, or I think atmosphere,
Atmosphere.
of the colonial
Colonial era.
era.
Okay.
Alright.
Goa Jepang and Goa Belanda, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So we are going to the last question,
Alright.
and the question is, what change or development would you like to see in Bandung in the coming years?
Okay, it is really important because I'm in the Bandung Timur
Yeah.
and exactly in Cileunyi. There are many traffic to go to campus.
Yeah, of
I
course.
think in Cileunyi to Cibiru is should to make the underpass or flyover.
Okay.
Because there are many traffic and I'll
So crowded.
yes. I usually to late come to campus because it's a traffic and
Traffic.
very crowded,
Very
bro.
crowded.
Yes.
Then your opinion, you have the government have to make the
Yes.
underpass or flyover.
Yes.
Okay, brother. Maybe enough for our question and talking about Bandung today. Thanks for your nice attention. Thanks for your great answer and nice to meet you. See you, brother.
Okay, thank you.
Assalamualaikum, brother.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay, how are you today?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm good. Thank you.
nice.
Brother, today we are going to talking about around Bandung.
Okay.
But before we are going to the following question, could you like to introduce yourself for a little bit, please?
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Ruda Akmal. I'm on sixth semester and I'm from Bogor.
Okay, thank you. Now we are going to the question. For the first question, brother,
Okay,
what is your favorite place to visit in Bandung?
favorite place
Yeah.
to visit in Bandung. Because I love to one club football professional in Bandung. So one favorite place that I want to visit is GBLA Stadium.
Okay.
So I have a good memorable
Yeah.
there. 2 years ago maybe when Persib against Persija and Persib
Okay.
became the winner. So I think it's the best moment for me.
So memorable moment.
It's very memorable for
Okay.
me.
So for the next question, Bandung is known for its food, right?
Okay.
Okay. Then what is your favorite food originally from Bandung?
Okay. Street food is okay.
Okay.
Okay. Maybe street food. I like Batagor, you know,
Oh, I know.
because
Batagor.
it's cheap.
Yeah.
Cheap. You know, the price is very cheap and the taste is very delicious for me.
Delicious, okay.
Yeah. So it's sweet with my money.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you recommend it?
Of course.
Of course.
Or if my friends from Bogor visit Bandung, maybe I will recommend that food.
Okay. Batagor, guys.
Yeah.
So for the third question, brother, Bandung is surrounded by beautiful landscape, right?
Okay.
Then have you tried to visit one of many landscape places that located in Bandung?
Okay. Maybe if place about nature view, I never visit, but I have visit one place. It's Chartil, you know.
Oh, I know,
Okay,
yeah.
I'm go at midnight, so I have a good view from Chartil. Is city light, and I
Right.
think it's the good place or the beautiful place for me because we can see city like Bandung.
Okay, then Charville is one your place have tried to visit for watching and seeing the city light of Bandung.
Yeah.
Then for the next question, what historical site in Bandung do you think is important to visit?
Okay, historical site, maybe Gedung Merdeka, you know.
Oh yeah.
Because that building is have historically but diplomacy international, so I think is the best building to visit and is always remember for us as the Indonesian.
Okay. Now we are going to the last question, brother.
Okay.
What change or development would you like to see in Bandung in the coming years?
Okay, maybe if you remember the first question, I said about one favorite place is
Okay.
GBLA. So maybe in the next year, I wanna see new GBLA because you know now Persib will be have a contract sponsorship with Allianz. So
Allianz.
I hope in the next future, on the next year, GBA will be the best stadium in Indonesia.
Okay, thank you. Okay, brother.
Okay.
Maybe that's all the question following about Bandung.
Okay.
Thanks for your nice attention,
Of course,
brother.
anytime.
And thanks for
Anytime.
your great answer.
Okay.
Then nice to meet you and see you,
Nice to
brother.
meet you and
Thank
see you.
Assalamualaikum, brother.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. Okay, brothers. Today, in this opportunity, we are going to talking about around Bandung. But before we are going to the following question, could you like to introduce yourself for a little bit?
Okay, thank you. My name is Tengku Faris Aditya, and you can call me Faris. And I'm 6th semester of English Education Department.
Okay, thank you. Now we are going to the question, brothers. For the first question, what is your favorite place to visit in Bandung?
Maybe my favorite place visit in Bandung is Gedung Sate.
Okay,
Because I have a lot memorized in that place. The example, I go to the Gedung Sate with my friends, Sayap Jurusan.
Okay.
Yes, I have a lot of memories in that place.
Then Gedung Sate is one of memorable place you have tried to visit, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And also Gedung Sate is the landmark of Bandung.
Yeah, right. So for the next question, Bandung is known for its food, right? Then what is your favorite food originally from Bandung?
I don't think so. It is the original food from Bandung.
Yup.
I like seblak. I don't know that is the original food
Yeah.
from Bandung, but I like seblak.
Seblak. Do you recommend it?
Maybe
Recommend. Why? Do you
Uh,
recommend seblak?
because if you like the spicy food, you must to try that food.
Okay. Then the audience, if you like spicy food, you have to try seblak
Yes.
from Bandung. So Bandung is surrounded by beautiful landscape.
Yes.
Have you tried to visit one of many landscape places that located in Bandung?
I think I visit Pangalengan.
Okay,
Yes.
Pangalengan.
Because the weather is so cool.
Okay.
And I enjoy
Okay.
Enjoy the place.
Then you feel enjoy when you visit to Pangalengan because Pangalengan has a beautiful nature.
yes.
So, what historical site in Bandung do you think is important to visit?
I don't think so. This place is the historical site. Maybe I choose Braga because
Okay.
I think Braga is the good building in that place.
Yeah.
Yes, maybe I
Okay,
choose
then
Braga.
you choose Braga for historical site to visit,
Yes.
yeah?
Because in Braga have a lot of place you must to visit. And the first is museum.
Oh, yeah.
And a lot of place you can
Okay,
see.
then Braga put many history about Bandung, guys.
Yes.
And we are going to the last question, brother. What change or development would you like to see in Bandung in the coming years?
Maybe I want to see. I wish Bandung have a lot place, a lot of good place for the education. The example is maybe museum or the other.
Okay, okay, right. Then enough here for our talking today, brother. Thanks for your nice attention. Thanks for your great answer. Then nice to meet you and see you in the next time. Hi, brother Rizky.
Yeah.
Okay. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay, now may I ask your time while for taking an interview about around Bandung.
Of course.
But before we are going to the following question, could you introduce yourself for a little bit?
Okay. So let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Rizky Ramadan, but people always calls me Kiki, and I'm from English Education Department student. Actually, I'm a fourth semester students, and also I'm from Bekasi.
Okay, thank you. Okay, now we are going to the question. Okay, for the first question, what is your favorite place to visit in Bandung?
Alright, so for my favorite places in Bandung is, of course, this university,
Okay.
UIN Sunan Gunung Jati, Kampus 2.
Is there any special moment or fun fact about this place to you?
Of course, there is a lot of memories in here, and there is, if I go to here, I always feel comfy, and I will recommend it to everyone to come here.
Yeah. Okay. Next question. Bandung is known for its food, right?
Yeah.
Then, what is your favorite food originally from Bandung?
Alright, so for my favorite food in Bandung is, surabi.
Yeah.
Yeah, surabi is my favorite food. Surabi in the Cibiru roundabout.
Oh yeah, I know.
Yeah, in
I
there. I always eat in there when night, and I think there's kind of yum.
know. Do you recommend it?
Yeah, of course. I would recommend it to everyone to eat there, because when the surabi is still hot, is really good.
Okay, right. Nice. So, Bandung is surrounded by beautiful landscape, right? So, have you tried to visit one of many landscape places that located in Bandung?
Yeah, there is one places that in Bandung. I think I would like to take the Puntang
Oh yeah, I know, Puntang.
Mountain. Puntang.
Yeah.
Yeah, Puntang Mountain. There is, the place is looks like the setting films by Jurassic World. There is the same. I think that it looks like similar like the Jurassic Park place.
Okay. And this the last question. What change or developments would you like to see in Bandung in the coming years?
So for that, I think Bandung should have a lot of public transportation, because Bandung known as the first crowded public.
Traffic jam.
Yeah, traffic jam is really crazy in here, and I think should have something to fix it.
Okay, thank you, brother. Maybe that's all the question that's related to our topic today. Thanks for your nice attention. Thanks for your
Of course.
great answer. See you in the next time.
See
Thank you,
you.
brother.